This big wave season, the TUDOR Jaws Big Wave Challenge returns to Pe'ahi on the beautiful island of Maui. When you think of Jaws, there's one name that comes to mind, and that name is Billy Kemper. Since this paddle-only event began in 2015, Kemper has absolutely dominated this contest. The undisputed king of Jaws has set his own standard with an unparalleled run of results. 2015, first place. 2016, first place. 2017, second place to fellow Maui local Ian Walsh. 2018, he won again. 2019, Billy Kemper all day, first place.
I've said it before, I'll say it again, this is my pride and joy. I leave blood, sweat, and tears out at Jaws. This is my backyard, and I'm very territorial.
The four-time Jaws champion returns this big wave season to defend his crown in his home waters at Pe'ahi. Can anyone beat Billy Kemper? Find out at the TUDOR Jaws Big Wave Challenge on redbull.tv and worldsurfleague.com.